All right. Hi, everyone. Fresh arrival, 2016 Keystone Avalanche. The model number is 355RK. We are looking at a power awning, outside speakers, a very noisy Dodge Ram. We got frameless windows throughout. Out back here, those are the vents for the fridge. Four-door fridge, that is. We got hydraulic automatic leveling system, hydraulic slide outs. Man, the outside does look great. Fiberglass front cap. Let's go in. 355 rear kitchen, aluminum frame, underbelly insulation. Oh, look at this. Oh, they've gotten away from these wooden blinds. I absolutely love them. Look at these solid surface countertops, folks. We got an oven, 3-burner stove, high point microwave. Look at that Dometic fridge. That works on propane and electricity. We got a fantastic fan up top. One AC out back, another AC out front. All these chairs have storage in them. 60/40 sink, stainless steel sink. Beautiful valances, super tall slide outs here, folks. Got nice recliners. This sofa converts into a bed. Huge TV. And a fireplace that does throw out some heat on those chilly nights. Hello. All right, let's go check out the bathroom up next. Control center. Absolutely, that's a porcelain toilet. Folks, just to let you know, we have not had a chance to clean this yet. And I'm going to say the previous owners, they kept very, very good care of it. Nice one-piece fiberglass shower. Love that. All right, next up is going to be the master bedroom. And what a beautiful master bedroom it is. Absolutely, that is a king-size bed, folks. Oh, darn it. I forgot to turn this light on. Let's do that. Ta-da! Storage, another TV. Taking a look out front. A nice, huge closet. How about some light? There we go. A nice, huge closet. Here. Let's open that up. Boom, 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 boom. Or you can remove these shelves and put in a washer dryer. We can move to Florida and you can live in this thing. All right. Keystone, Montana. I have to say, look at these beautiful rounded off walls. Fit and finish is absolutely incredible. But most impressive is going to be how clean it is. Because we have not cleaned it yet. The previous owners took very, very good care of it. I did see a few imperfections that we are going to correct. A little bit of wear and tear on that sofa, but we're going to fix that. Folks, if you like what you're seeing, 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, Brunswick, or please give one of our sales staff a call today to book your appointment to view this in person. Bye for now. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.